All right, guys. Good evening and welcome to us with SimplyJ. In today's video, I just want to do a quick. I want to do a tutorial on how to. I'll be showing you guys how to trade shitcoins, how to research, how to discover low market cap shitcoins for massive profit. All right. This is going to be a recreation of the previous video which I did that cracked, as you can see from this place right here. This video I did was cracking. If you listen to it, all right, so you can see that it's cracking, and that is the reason why I want to redo this video so that you can watch. But this time around, this video is going to be from scratch. I will do it from newbie's perspective, very detailed, so that any newbie who come across this video will be able to make money with it. Whether you're a newbie that have never traded crypto shitcoins before, you'll be able to trade shitcoins. All right, so that is it. So before we proceed, kindly please do me a favor, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn off the notification bell. All right, so once you subscribe to this YouTube channel right here, once you subscribe to this channel right here, then you see this notification bell. Okay, this is the notification bell right here. Just click it and turn on this notification bell for all. All right, so that is what I need. Okay, so thank you. Now let's proceed to get started. Okay, with this shitcoins trading. To actually get started, what you want to do is quite simple. All right, it's very simple. First and foremost, I've already done the video, so what you just have to do is go to our forum. All right, cryptotoilet.net. just quickly go to our forum. All right, you will see the link to our forum in this video description. However, this is the link right here, cryptotoilet.net. Once you get to our forum, scroll down, okay, or just register. If you want to register, what you just have to do is this. All right, just click on join crypto toilet, or if you already have an account before, just log in. All right, however, once you register, just come down here. So this is the course right here. Okay, this is the course right here. All right, so this is the course right here. Okay, it's pinned to the top of this page. You can see it, full course. Okay, so you can see it. This is the course right here. So that is the course, full course, 2023 shitcoins trading method. So you can see it. So if you go there, just if I log in, all right, so if you go there, this is the course at the top right here. It's a full course. This one is quite different from I took my time to do this one. Okay, I took my time to do this one so that you all can learn. So this is the course right here. So you can see the course, and please don't forget to subscribe to our Twitter page. Please ensure you subscribe to our Twitter. Okay, follow us on Twitter, please. You can follow me on Twitter, and just a way of saying thank you to me, and subscribe to all our YouTube channel right here. So, and here is the video right here. So I've already done the video. So this is the video right here. Okay, this is where you can get the links to the video. Okay, so this is a link to the video right here. The video is actually hidden. You can only watch it on my forum right here. So that is the video there. So it's a full video, actually different. I took my time to really explain. All right, so you can see I took my time to this is funding right here. So I took my time to explain from your wallet, funding then your wallet, BNB right here. I took my time when you come back to your wallet right here, then you click on it, then you see withdrawal, then you click. You see that? So this one is very nice. I'll just put $5 right here. Then if you see the $5 worth of BNB is this 0.01. So I took my time. 409. All right, so you can see that I took my time to do 5. That is the meaning of this. That is 1, 2. So I took my time to do this. Is gonna be a premium. So I took my time to do this video. This video I took my time. So if you watch it, there is no way you won't make money with the video. So just go to our forum to get it. All right, just go to our forum to get it. Check the first video at the top, like I told you. So this is it right here. So there, and this is the shitcoins money bomb this video right here. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. You can share our forum with your fellow friends on this video so that they can also join and watch and learn. All right, so thank you for watching. If you have any question, drop your comments on the forum or below this video. So thanks.